Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. How's it going? You're doing good? All right. Well, if you're not doing good, then I'm going to cheer you up. And if you are doing good, then maybe you'll cheer me up. Who knows? Okay. So, we've been comparing numbers a lot this week, right? Like, which one's more, which one's less, bigger, smaller, awesome stuff, right? So, I have a new game to teach you. I think you're going to like it. So I'm going to ask you to play Tower of Power and the new game. Are you ready for the new game? Okay, all you need to play this game, honestly, all you need is, well, first of all, you need to get your counters, your red and yellow counters. Please get 10 of them, okay? Not 9, not 8 of them, not 5 of them, not 2 of them. 10 of them. So pause the video and go get 10 of them. Okay, right now, mark it, set, go. All right, so do you have 10 counters? Okay, so the only other things I want you to get, I know I was not exactly clear there, is your dry erase sleeve, okay? It could be a whiteboard, that's fine, and your eraser and your marker, your dry erase marker, okay? So so get those things. Also, what we're going to do with these is we are going to shake them up. You can either do it in your hands or if you have a cup, okay, you can put it in the cup. So if you want to do it in a cup, you need a cup, all right? So your cup, the 10 counters, marker, eraser, and your dry erase sleeve. That's, I promise you, all that you need, okay? So go get that if you haven't already. And pause the video. Yes, you pause the video and then come back. All right, sorry, here we go. Okay, boys and girls, so here's how this works, okay? I have my cup. I have my counters. All right, if you don't have a cup that you don't want to use, just use your hands like this, okay? Just go like this, and you have to go shake, 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 shake. But before we toss them on to the dry erase sleeve, we're going to make a prediction. Because look, when I toss it down, some of them are going to land on red, and some of them are going to land on yellow. Which one do you think is going to end up with the most? Are there going to be more red or more yellow? What do you think? What's it going to be? All right, well, let's find out. I'm going to predict. All right, raise your hand if you think there's going to be more red. Okay? Raise your hand if you think there's going to be more yellow. All right, I'm going to go with yellow. All right, so here we go. I got my hands. I'm shake, 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 shake. And now this is the fun part. Well, the shaking part is pretty fun. But then we get to spill them onto the dry erase, okay, like this. All right, so then the yellows go on one side and the reds go on the other. Oh, it looks like there is more yellow. Score! Now, if you said red, it's all right. We're just playing. It's just a game. Okay. But let's make sure. So we're going to line them up like this. Okay? I'm going to line them up like kind of like the towers we've been making, right? Tower of Power. I'm going to line this up here, here. So clearly there's a lot more yellow than red because you can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yellow. And I'm going to write that down in 3 red. And 7 is more than 3. You can see it right there. So when you do this, boys and girls, I want you to do the same exact thing. Line them up and then write down the numbers and see which one is more. 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 4 more than 3. All right. So let's do another example. Not because I think you need it, but because I love playing the game. That's why. All right. This time I'm going to use my cup. If you have a cup, go for it. If you don't have a cup, use your hands. Okay, am I going to... So this time, who predicts that there'll be more red? Okay, who predicts there'll be more yellow? All right, I'm going to go with yellow again. Not. I'm going with red. Red. Okay, here we go. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And spill. Are there any more in there? Oh, all right. Okay, so I got red. Oh man, it looks like the same thing. Isn't that crazy? I got 3 red again. Let me do it again. I want a different number. I'm still choosing red though. Still choosing red. All right. Shake, shake, shake. Whoa, one just popped out. Did you see that? That was crazy. All right, shake, 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 and spill. Spill, spill, spill. Spill, spill, spill. Whoa, don't roll away on me. Okay. So we've got, let's see. Let's put the reds. Got reds here, yellows over here. I think we got more yellows this time again. Raise, if you had yellows and you got it, I think you got it correct. Let's find out. So we're going to match them up. Okay. We're going to line them up so that we can make sure. Yup, look. There's 2 more yellows than the reds. So I take my marker and I count 1, 2, 3, 4. And I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I write that down. And I can see that 6 is a little bit more than 4. It's 2 more than 4. If I took away 2, I'd have 4 yellow, right? But I don't. I have 6 yellow. Okay, so play this game. You know, shake and spill as many times as you want. Maybe do it at least, I don't know, 7 or 8 times. Play your Tower of Power. Okay, that's another good game. Okay, and the only other thing I'll say is if you have not yet finished your scavenger hunt, today's the day to finish that up. Okay, it'd be great to share that with your classmates when you're in school next week. And remember, the point of that is to have fun, right? Have fun and explore numbers around your house, around where you live, your apartment, your house, wherever you happen to live, is awesome. Okay, so have fun and have fun with the new game. All right, and you remember you can play this as much as you want. You've got the materials. Okay, so maybe you could even make up your own game. That would be awesome. I don't know. I mean, why not? And then you could show it to your teacher next week. That'd be sweet, right? Okay, boys and girls, have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. All right, be good, be kind, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.